Welcome to the first lesson. This lesson is about meeting someone. So by the end of the lesson, you will be able to learn sentences to use when meeting someone for the first time. So let's begin. The first word is hello or hi. Hello is generally used at work and hi with friends. So you can choose one of them according to the situation. Then this sentence is important as well. What is your name? Or what's your name? Okay. Remember, is will be shortened. It will become shorter because when we speak fast. Okay. In all the languages as well. So when you say this sentence like this, it will be what's your name? You don't even hear what's your name. It totally changes actually. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What? Can you hear ch sound here? Ch. What's your name? What's your name? Okay. Remember, in the end, you should drop your voice. Okay. What's your name? Not what's your name. What's your name? So this is right. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? It will change the emotion. Okay. And that doesn't sound good as well when you go up here. So go down. What's your name? Okay. And the answer to the question would be my name is John. For example, let's say one of them is John. Or you can say my name is John. So again, is you can make it short, connected, connection here. My name is John. Then you should ask, how are you? Remember, we don't say how are you. It's like R, we don't really hear R. It will be more like how are. Okay? How are you? How are you? Go down again. Down, don't go up. How are you? Answer, I'm fine. Okay. Again, when you speak, it will be short. Together, it will become I'm fine. I'm fine. Fine. Down. Full stop. Down. Question. Down. Okay. You should talk about job as well. Then you should say, what do you do? It's about job. Or what's your job? The first sentence, do you do? The sound is changing, yeah? What do you do? Ju. Okay? What do you do? Okay? What's your job? Okay? Again, shorter one here, right? What's your job? Down. Okay? What do you do? What's your job? Answer, I'm a student. So let's say, he's a student as well. So I am a student. Or short one will be I'm a student. Remember, when we speak like this. Okay. So it's better not to say I am a student. If you want to ask the same question, like what do you do? So you can say and you. It means the same question, yeah? It means any question your friend asks you and you want to ask the same question, you can say and you. To finish the conversation, you can say nice to meet you, and the other person can say nice to meet you too. Two means I'm also happy. So whatever you have said, I also do the same. I also feel the same way, right? Too. So here, if this person is a student and this person is also a student, so this person can say, I'm a student too. Okay, easy. Alright. So let's practice this in a short conversation. Let's assume these two people are talking. We'll give them names soon. Remember, there are 6 steps we could follow. First is you should say hello. Number 2, you should say your name. My name is. Number 3, you should ask what's your name, and the person can ask you the same question, but you have already given your name here, right? So the person will not ask you the same question. Then as a good gesture, you should ask, how are you? How are you? And the person can ask the same question, and you, remember, and you. So this question is really useful. 5, you can ask, what do you do? It's about job, or what's your job? Okay, what do you do? Do you do? Remember the sound. And number 6 is the last one. You should say, nice to meet you. Okay, and the other person can say, nice to meet you too. And here, the other person can also ask you, and you, and you, and you. See, the sound is changing again, and you, okay? So let's give names to these two people. This is Tom, this is John. And they are talking, okay? They're meeting for the first time. So let's begin. Tom, hello. John, hello.
Tom, my name is Tom. What's your name? John, my name is John.
Tom, how are you? John, I'm fine, thanks. And you? Tom, I'm fine too, thanks. What do you do? John, I'm a student. And you? Tom, I'm a student too. Nice to meet you. John, nice to meet you too. Okay? Isn't that great? This time I would not use names and just read it. Maybe you can practice it by yourself. Okay? Alright, let's begin. Hello. Hello.
My name is Tom. What's your name? My name is John.
How are you? I'm fine, thanks. And you? I'm fine too, thanks. What do you do? I'm a student. And you? I'm a student too. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. So that's it for today. Hope this helps you practice more English. Stay tuned for another lesson next time. Till then, take care and bye.